I want you, it says on the front page. It's time for boys to come of age. I want you, there's a war we gotta wage. Every able-bodied man avail. Well, I'm bodied, but not able. I don't need to write the tale, just want a seat at the table. Come on, Sam, tell me, is it true? I want you. Yeah, but not. Give me a chance, Doc. I promise you won't regret it. I got heart, though I might be small in stature. My physique, well, it's always met with laughter. I got smarts, but maybe not the kind you're after. Like IQ, even when I'm a $111. I got asthma, can't even dance. I'll be in 107th heaven. All I need is just one chance. What's a guy to do when I want you? Doesn't mean. Why can't they see that I would make a difference? I'd rise up tall and look them in the eye. Why can't I be there to fight injustice? Lend a hand while I stand up for the little guy. If they only knew everything I'm made of, then they'd know it's true. There's nothing I'm afraid of. What's a guy to do when I want you? Doesn't mean I should be across the ocean, hearing bugles playing taps, not pulling rusty wagons filled so high with scraps. These doctors think I'm crazy, but they're all full of terrible advice. Come on, Doc, what do you say? There's gotta be a way. You know, I can do this all day, 'cause somehow, someday, somewhere, someway, 4F becomes 1A. Then you'll see that I will make a difference. I'll rise up tall and look them in the eye. And there I'll be to fight against injustice. Lend a hand while I stand up for the little guy. And then I'll show you everything I'm made of. And then you'll know there's nothing I'm afraid of. You point and you say, I want you. But I don't believe that it's true. Now that I can see, it seems that you agree. I want you doesn't actually